When you first log on to the portal, this is the view that you will have. You can see at the top there is the tracker, and that shows you what pieces of evidence you have submitted. And you can navigate around the portal either using the sidebar like this, or on the actual dashboard of the portal like this. All of these will link to the same place. We'll now look at evidencing your CBI 7 skills. Click on the Skills for Work tab on the sidebar and it opens up to Self-Management. Click on the icons above the video and you'll see each CBI 7 skill displayed. Each one has a video that includes footage from employers telling you what the skill looks like in the workplace. If you scroll down the page, you will see an example of a good piece of evidence and a not so good piece of evidence. If you scroll back up and click the How to Evidence tab, you will be reminded of the STAR technique. When you are ready, if you click on the Download Evidence Template, it will download to your machine a Word document that you can use to record your evidence. Open it up, enable editing, and fill it in using the 4 categories of STAR. When you are ready, you can save this to your machine to upload at a later date. We'll now look at the part of the portal that will help you upload evidence to do with your job application. If you're not sure what job you would like to do, take a look at the Careers Sifter first. The Careers Sifter is a series of questions about your characteristics, your hobbies and your interests. From this, we can give you an idea of some jobs that you may be well suited to. Answer all the questions, press on Submit, and you'll be given a suggestion of a suggested career sector that might suit you, and also jobs on the jobs board within that career sector. You may know the job title that you're interested in, but not quite sure what that job actually means. Have a look at the organisation charts, where you can click on the job roles. Read what the job purpose is and what the primary duties and responsibilities of that role actually are. When you're ready to make an application, you can go to the jobs board. If you're doing the introductory award, then you'll need to find the Skilled and Ready retail application. You do this by typing in Skilled and Ready and then pressing the search button. This will bring up a link to that job role. Click on the link and then read a description of the retail assistant role. Click on the More Info button and you will be able to access the full job description and person specification. It is this person specification you will use to fill in your application. For those on the Intermediate Award, you will need to find a job from our jobs board. You can search by the job title, by location, or just by job sector. Choose the sector that you're interested in, and all jobs on the jobs board within that sector will be displayed. Find a job that you're interested in and click on it. You will get a brief description and can then click on More Info to download the full job description and person specification for that position. Use the person specification to fill in your job application. When you decide you're ready for that job, click Apply for Job. Open up the job application form in Word, enable editing, and fill in your application form. When you have completed it, it can be saved to your machine, ready to upload to the portal at a later time. We'll now look at how you can evidence your employer experiences in the portal. Click on Employer Engagement on the side tab, and you'll see there's two ways of evidencing employer experience: the Employer Engagement Log and the Work Experience Log. If you're using the Employer Engagement Log, click on View Project, and this will bring up the place you can download the documents you will need. There is a download for intermediate level and one for the advanced level. Click on whichever is appropriate to the level that you are completing. This will download a Word document to your machine, which you can open up in Word. Make sure you enable editing, and then you can fill this in. You can then save it to your machine, ready to upload to your tracker when you're ready to do so. If you are using Work Experience to record your employer experiences, then click on the View Project underneath Work Experience Log. Again, there is a download for intermediate and one for advanced. Click on the one that is appropriate to the level that you are completing. This will open up an editable PDF document. You can read this online, scroll down and see what you're expected to do, and then you can download it to your computer. If you are struggling to use the editable PDF document, we can also provide a Word version. We'll now show you how to upload evidence to your tracker. Click on the tracker on the side tab. You'll see at the top there is a place where you'll see what evidence you have already uploaded. When you want to upload evidence, you select the challenge, for example a skill. Select the specific skill, for example self-management. Type a brief description of what it is you're uploading. This makes it easier for the tutors to mark it. Then click on Drag and Drop File and simply locate the file on your computer. Click on it and open. This file will then upload. Once uploading is complete, click on the Submit button. Only click this once. Once the evidence has uploaded, you will see a box appear that shows you evidence that's uploaded and waiting for marking. This will then be sent to your tutor, and once it's marked, it will reappear on the other side of your line, and it will be passed or referred, giving you advice and guidance on how you can make it better or telling you what you did right.